All right, so the way that the picture looks is that we have increasing and then decreasing, decreasing, and then increasing. So to put this together, we're going to say that it's increasing on the interval negative infinity to 0, union 20 to infinity. And then we would say that it's decreasing on, all right, now again, it's decreasing on these two intervals. Do not put those together. The fact at 10 is very important to include. We want to split them into two separate intervals. So 0, comma 10, that's my first interval that I'm decreasing, and then union 10 to 20. So we do want to keep those as two separate intervals. Now, in terms of the relative max or local max, that would happen at x is equal to 0, right? There's a peak at x equals 0. Now, of course, for the homework software, they want the point. And so to find the point, we would say 0, comma, y. And then to get this y value, we're simply going to create a t-chart where we plug in 0 for x and we plug into the original function. So again, we're not plugging into the derivative, we're plugging into that original function. So plugging in 0 into the original function gives us 0. So the relative max would happen at 0, comma 0. Meanwhile, there's a valley, a relative min at 20, comma, and then to get the y value associated with 20, you would plug into the original function. So plug 20 into that original function, so 6 times 20 squared over 20 minus 10. Okay, so that is going to give you 6 times 20 squared is going to give you 200 or 2,400, and then over the 20 minus 10 would give you a 10, and so then that is going to give us simply 240 as our relative min.